Just a quick announcement, you guys, before we get into the video. I'm starting a weight loss coaching program where we mostly work on mindset for anyone who wants to lose weight, because a lot of people don't realize that the biggest thing that stops you from losing weight is really just the thoughts in your mind right before you go eat the bad food. So that's what I'm going to help you guys with if you want that. So yeah. So if you're interested in that, please go to SydneyDiamondCoaching.com. SydneyDiamondCoaching.com. Also, if you go to my TikTok, I think it's just Sydney Diamond. I have more videos about that coaching program. But yeah, all right. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get into the video. Guys, he's eating peanuts, healthy peanuts, not the store ones. But yeah, oh, tell them what happened with the breadfruit once we got back here.
You want some?
Does the peanuts? Looks like a thumb. Looks delicious. But tell them what happened with the breadfruit.
Yeah, man, today we go on some hunting for some breadfruit, and it was successful.
And then what happened when you came back with them?
We did not tell people exactly everything. Don't people
Okay.
prayers. Yeah.
It's one secret, apparently.
Just relax, man.
Okay.
And a secret, you know.
Well, we had a good
Tell you
day.
something about life. You see, in life, when you win,
Yeah.
just pretend like you lose.
Okay.
Because they say, oh, they kill Naya. And because I'm winning, you know.
It's really sad. So
Whenever you have money too much and things are going successful, I want to talk it out and come on social media and talk like say everything. A one life we have.
Yeah.
So if God bless you with money, just try to help some people when they're happy.
That's true.
And live humble so till your time come.
I actually saw literally everyone's talking about the thing with Naya in the store that I was in yesterday. Then I saw people were talking about it everywhere.
Then kill you with turbo, man. A turbo the engine, man.
Yeah. But he lived in,
Ulaba.
I know the place that he lived, but I
I
forget.
like Ulaba, then kill me brother Ulaba, you know. 5 years ago.
Who?
My brother. One of my brother
I
them.
didn't know. That's so sad.
15 stop the engine.
What? So scary.
And because him they arise. And if you go to England the next month and then kill him.
What? So that's the cause? I thought they were jealous that he was going to England.
They're jealous and hype on all of the girl them. My brother used to really hype and boast.
What? So
Bossy.
that's so it's good to be humble.
It's good to be humble, you know. Because some people hungry.
Yeah.
And sometimes you drink 10 Hennessy. A person cannot even buy a pound of flour.
Yeah, it's true. No, you know what I was thinking today? The juice, when you sold the carrots cost less than the sugar juice that people buy. So people really spend more money on sugar juices than healthy vegetable. And they do the same with alcohol. They'll spend tons of money on vodka, rum.
Yeah, that's why some of me turn the juice on the blender. Because a beer juice I'm going to start making.
Oh, it actually looks fancy having it up on the shelf.
Yeah.
Like a real professional place.
Beer juice.
It's really good. So here's some extra stuff too if you guys want to buy. Here's the peanuts. Oh, these soaps are really nice too. Okay. And stay tuned because later in the week we're going to go to some nature location. I won't say where now. But it's going to be super nice.
Yeah, man, we are going to water park, so you can tell them that. But
Okay,
we're not telling them which park, because we want to go soon.
Alright, so one waterfalls and we're going to cook some food there.
Yeah, what was we're going to cook? Roast fish.
Yeah.
We're going to roast fish. We're going to roast yam. And roast right plantain. So we are taking back to basic there.
Oh, one last, I feel like you're going to tell them not that I shouldn't say this, but I'll see. Guys, today I'm going to stop eating ackee because I've eaten ackee every day for the last week and 2 meals of ackee today. And every second I feel hungry. So if you guys know the reason, comment somewhere. Because every second I am still hungry again. Are you hungry? I'm still hungry and I've already eaten 2 meals.
I went to woman hungry and craving for food, so I just one thing, you know.
That's what I'm thinking, but I feel like the timing doesn't make sense of it, so I'm not sure. Hopefully that, and I'm not just getting fat for no reason. Alright.
Okay.
That is all.
Yeah, man, food makes you eat it up, you know.
So true.
Full of food and fruits.
Yeah, we need to make more smoothies. Oh wait, one more thing, guys, and then we'll go. See over there, that's the cinnamon, right? So we got cinnamon, and we also get Sarah's at the place with the breadfruit. So maybe we're gonna do some. I think we should make some drink with the cinnamon, with banana and cinnamon. And we can buy oats and spirulina. Make that good drink. Yeah. All right. See you guys in the next video.
Yeah, man, bless up on yourself, people, and stay safe.
Yeah.
For yourself, people, because we black people, we just eager to kill one another for foolish.
Yeah. Well, here, all right, wait, this is really, really the last thing. This is the thing we always disagree on. He thinks that in the U.S. there's more murders, and I think in Jamaica there's more murders.
All over the world, brother.
Yeah,
all over the world, murder right there. You know King Jaw, who are we want him?
King who?
Yeah, the guy were around South Korea. Leader.
Oh, yeah, Kim Jong-un.
You know, say them not allowed to leave
yeah, that's
South Korea, and you know, say them not allowed to go up on social media.
Yeah, they don't have. I don't think they have electricity
media.
at all.
They have electricity.
I think only the super, super rich and everyone else isn't allowed to have electricity.
Mm-hmm.
And I think some people have it, and I think they're only allowed to use it for 1 hour of the day. And they have paid programming on the TV, like government propaganda.
Some of them praise that guy like a god.
Yeah, they have him as Jesus, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Can you imagine?
That's super crazy.
So I'm out the people, I have to go look up the store now.
Okay. Puppies. Oh, guys, look what we have.
One fish. We have to do fishes over.
Oh, you didn't plan this?
You never plan it.
Oh, I thought you ordered it. What?
I mean, so we can't make it pass. Then you have the perfect fish roast bread.
Super crazy. Yeah, I thought you planned it because you were just telling me roast fish.
Yeah, we just want to offer now with idea carrot, sweet pepper, onion, just stuff in our belly.
And now we can go to our own store right out there and buy it or get it.
You can imagine.
It's crazy.
Just go in our fridge.
Alright.
And then we should have fry one more.
Yeah, it sounds good, but it's kind of late. It's up to you. Alright, he's gonna put it inside. Alright guys, so it's super crazy. Both of our phones died today. So I was filming on mine, then it died, and then I switched to Biko's, and then his died. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this video and watching till the end. Yeah, you guys make sure to watch this till the end. I know, by the way, an update with this is Biko's planning to concrete this, he says, this week. And he's going to turn it into like a little store, supermarket, where you can buy like snacks and food and mackerel and all the stuff you can get in the store. You can try and get it here. So that's coming soon. That's an exciting update. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.